I'm happy to be wrong.
Oh, look at this. It's covering it up. Sorry about that.
It looks amazing.
No, that rock was loose as fuck.
You got him through the. You got him. You got him.
I got a virgin block.
And that thing didn't make a freaking sound before it ran.
It did for that car?
That back
Yeah,
row
I'm
for the
gonna
run.
run motor for Chevelle.
Yeah.
289 blocks, standard bore. 17. I just gotta bring it over and get it sonic. I'm gonna do a 40.
Top.
I get to
Top.
do this every day.
Yeah, you always do them.
I'm just
Two on the bottom and two on the
I'm
top.
just getting it started.
All right.
I'm not
To be
nothing's
honest, it
tight.
sounded like a battle for me in the worst way.
Beautiful stuff.
Brakes work.
You got lucky because he shut it down.
Right, exactly. He was smart
Because they would
enough.
have wiped the cam out.
He was smart enough.
I shut that bitch off as soon as it
You
started
were smart
turning.
enough, You did what you're supposed to do.
Yep.
I did that when it got hot too around that corner.
A lot of people instead of going, no, I gotta get the cutter back in the pits. I had to ride it back in the pits. Or something like that.
That's what they got figured out.
Well, that would have been.
Yeah, you would wipe the camera
When
out.
you threw the belt the first time, I knew something happened that I didn't see.
The 2 bolts are probably all the way around.
Good video.
But it sounded like 2 cylinders.
It's better than this. Brothers coming together.
Fuck yeah.
Beautiful stuff.
This is good stuff.
Don't get any better, especially when it has a good ending. Hopefully.
I said it was driver's side too. Right off the bat.
The end of the axle? It's funny,
Look at the welds. Top down. 2 were missing.
I've heard of them leaking and stuff.
Thank God. Wait, the spring
Oh, I know
was just about to fall off the spring. That you managed to
That's good.
look, that's on the ground.
It's hot as shit. So if it loses, it rotates.
we get 11 out of this, but
Yeah.
right?
No.
Oh yeah, beating on it.
Dad, can I have the car?
You're not busy, are you?
No. Can you wait 1 minute?
That's good.
1
Before you
minute.
go to the other side, let's tighten this one up and see what it slows. See if we got sound again.
Let me just check them all.
Oh, you got to still tighten up the other side
just-
too, right?
I gotta put them all in.
Right.
Yeah, just put everything back together.
Yeah, start this one first. It did. Start it. Start it.
All right, let's see what this side sounds like.
Dad.
Why don't you just leave the key in the ignition?
It's only to rob it.
Leave this on here when it starts.
No, hold it, yeah.
Got no body mount in the front. Kids kills me.
It's fascinating.
Dad. Ain't the cover. Right here. Yeah, it's right in the front. I think it's still that lifter.
Is it heating up? Cool.
I think that's going to be all right. Those back ones didn't make noise ever. Let's put the cover back on, see what we got. Other than me getting a bath.
You might need brakes after this, by the way.
Oh, yeah, that's very easy.
Fuck brakes.
Brakes.
Exactly.
You don't need no stinking brakes.
Who needs brakes? I stick my feet out the fucking door.
Yeah, good Flintstone mobile.
Flintstone, baby.
Tired with the bedtime.
11 o'clock. That's my bedtime.
Yeah, I went both sides. It's okay. Everything else was tight. The front went back off on the exhaust and it was popping through the intake. So
Is that
sounded like a
Dave?
bent valve. So it worked. It worked out real well. He's all right.
Is that Dave?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. All right. If anything changes,
You take the sweat. You're not fucking lying.
before you leave, just give me a ring. I'll let you know if anything changes.
It even smells better now, man.
I think I fixed the brakes.
Sorry, I'm like high, but it smells better now, man.
Can you shine that right in that hole there? I'll kiss a guy. Okay. I just gotta push it back a little bit.
I wonder if this one has to be pushed up the same way.
Nah, this one made no noise.
Yeah, but now you're tightening it a different way.
Yeah, you know what? You might be doing before you tighten this one up, push it up that way just in case. You know you got to do that now. So.
Always a fucking adventure.
Fix it now. Sal's fixing the parking lot.
God damn, these things heat up quick.
This thing gets. What, the valve covers?
Yeah.
Yes. This thing's fucking hot.
Looks like it's back together. Was that the issue? Rock around?
Where were you? Where were you?
Find out when we start.
Were you here to help?
I was letting all the experts handle it. They seem to have a good control over it.
One of the rockers, the bolt was hand tight. You could pull it right off that loose.
And the stud or the poly?
What was it?
Poly.
Poly.
Came loose.
The rock came loose, pushed the push rod off,
And then after
and then
that,
it killed the cylinder. So I take it was the intake.
no, it didn't kill anything. It was just loose. Yeah.
Oh, I was coming back through the intake.
Yeah.
Man, it's fucking hot.
Yeah. I got an 09. I think it's Thank God for traction control. Thank God for traction control. You could not drive that truck without it. Get the side lane.
Get it
You're
all
good.
right down. So
Tighten it up.